Hello friends, welcome to Money Ki Baat Alpa ke Saath. Equity investments. What is equity investment all about? When it comes to investing, we want our money to grow with the highest rate of return and the lowest risk possible. While there are no shortcuts to getting rich, there are smart ways to go about it. An equity investment is money that is invested in a company by purchasing shares of that company in the stock market. These shares are typically traded on the stock exchange. Why should I consider equities? Equity investors purchase shares of a company with the expectations that they'll rise in the value in the form of capital gains and generate capital dividends too. The primary objective of investing is to ensure that every person is able to meet his or her future financial objectives, especially medium to long term. Rise in inflation makes it inadequate for individuals to simply earn and save some part of their incomes. The stock market is one of the oldest and most popular investment avenues due to several benefits of investing in stocks. Let us understand the benefit in investing in equity, or we say stocks. Higher liquidity, diversification, beats inflation, generates passive income, higher returns in medium to long term, acquire ownership and right to vote, regulatory environment and framework, convenience and quite liquid too. India's top wealth creators since last 25 years, from 1995 to 2020. India's top wealth creators are a mix of old and new companies, from RIL to Kotak Bank, unlike in the US where newer companies generated most of the wealth. A study showed that just 2% of 5,000 companies outperformed the Sensex in last 25 years. While the most profitable companies have all been MNCs like HUL, Nestle India, Colgate Palmolive, etc. The best dividend paying companies were all domestic ones like ITC, Infosys and Hindustan Zinc, etc. So who are the wealth creators? Infosys is the fastest wealth creator in last 25 years. RIL is the biggest wealth creator in last 25 years. Infosys clocked a robust price compound annual growth rate of 30% to emerge as fastest wealth creator between 1995 to 2020. Reliance Industry was the biggest wealth creator in this period, creating wealth worth rupees 6.3 lakh crore in 25 years for the investors. It also observed that RIL is significantly ahead of the second biggest wealth creator, HUL, which accounted for rupees 4.9 lakh crore wealth. Infosys and Bajaj Finance were also on the list for both the fastest and biggest wealth creators. The average market cap of the top 25 fastest wealth creators was rupees 400 crore in 1995, which stood over rupees 75,000 crore in 2020. Rupees 10 lakh invested equally in these 25 stocks in 1995 would have grown to rupees 16.20 crore in 2020, delivering a 25-year CAGR return of 23%. The top 20 of the fastest wealth creators all gave the equivalent of 20% return every year. Moreover, Kotak Mahindra Bank has emerged as the most consistent wealth creator between 1995 to 2020. 6 of the top 10 consistent wealth creators are also among the top 10 fastest wealth creator: Berger Paints, Pidilite, Shree Cement, Honeywell Automation, Motherson Sumi and Sun Pharma. The biggest wealth creators list has names including HDFC, Kotak Bank, ITC, Asian Paints and Nestle India. Now we understood the strength of equity investment. All intelligent investing is value investing, acquiring more that you are paying for. You must value the business in order to value the stock.
Hope you have liked this knowledge on investing. You can also buy our book Every Woman Should Invest by Alpa Shah, which is available on Amazon India, the link of which is mentioned below in the description. Please like us, share this video and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this video with all your friends and family